Tired of rebuilding your Tableau dashboards every time your data source changes? I'm going to show you how to seamlessly swap data sources in Tableau, keeping all your hard work intact, in just a few simple steps. First, open the Tableau workbook you want to update. In the data pane on the left, locate the data source you want to replace. Right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Replace Data Source. To replace data source dialog box will pop up in the replacement drop-down. Choose the new data source you want to use. This new data source must already be connected to your Tableau workbook. Next, click on the Worksheets tab. This shows you all the worksheets currently using the data source you're replacing. This is just for your reference. You don't need to change anything here. Now, click on the Field Names tab. Tableau automatically tries to match fields from the old and new data sources based on name. Review these mappings carefully. If a field isn't automatically matched, manually select the corresponding field from the new data source using the drop-down menus. This is crucial for your visualizations to work correctly. Finally, click the Calculations tab. Tableau will highlight any calculated fields that might be affected by the data source replacement. Review these and update them as needed to ensure they still work with the new data. Once you've reviewed all the tabs and made necessary adjustments, click OK. Tableau will update your workbook to use the new data source. And that's it. Your visualizations are now powered by the new data source, without you having to rebuild anything. Now you can seamlessly transition between data sources, keeping your dashboards fresh and accurate.